Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we got me, Shane, and Micah. Me, Shane, and Micah, all three of us. Shane and Micah here to show you a 1984 Chevy Silverado Scottsdale. This is a brand new fresh paint on this car. This is a nut and bolt restored pickup truck. Has a 350 small block with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Has, like I said, all new paint, all new interior. It's got a set of real Krager wheels on it. It's got disc brakes in the front. These are painted on decals. These are not stickers. All the chromes are beautiful on this. All the glass works beautiful. And let's check out this bed. Zoom in on here, this bed. This bed is gorgeous. It's actually one of the nicest finishes I've seen. I know you can do a lot of different finishes, but I really like that one. It even has the really cool back window blinds that people thought were even cooler in the 80s. Zoom in there, show them that instrumental cluster, the dash a little bit, and the leather seats. Has a beautiful interior, power windows, tilt steering. Ready to enjoy today. We're going to jump in and take it for a ride, and then do an undercarriage video. All right, welcome back. We're here to do a cold start and test drive on our 84 Scottsdale Chevy. This truck is a nut and bolt frame off restored. The gentleman spent a lot of money getting this truck all new, and it shows. Everything's new and everything works. Off we go. Oh man, it shifts real smooth. Love it. Your fuel gauge is working and is completely full because he filled it with gas before he dropped it off. We got a good speedometer. We got a good oil pressure gauge. We got a good temperature gauge. We got a good oil temperature or oil pressure gauge. Radio works. Crank up some air conditioning real quick. There it is, she's already blowing cold. Horn works. Yeah, it all works in this one. Let's go here, camera down the road. Oh yeah, these brakes are really, really good. I had mentioned earlier it's got power brakes with a disc brake version in the front.